What's up, Soil Brothers and Soil Sisters?
Soil Family.
So what we doing today?
I am so excited, y'all. Potato harvest. I've been waiting for a whole year. Excuse Sir Bacalot. I've been waiting a whole year to harvest potatoes. Even though we had not planned to grow potatoes this year.
So we did grow them in buckets this year to avoid any pest issues. So we have no idea whether or not this is going to be successful or not. Now, keep in mind, we had almost 2 weeks of rain.
It was crazy.
Yeah. So
Not just drizzle rain, like torrential rain.
I don't know if that's going to have a positive or negative effect on the potatoes, but we are about to find out.
Free potatoes, free potatoes, free potatoes.
Possibly.
So we have how many buckets? 6? We got 6 buckets. 7 buckets. That may be full of soil.
It's a little wet.
We got potatoes. Look at this.
Oh, it's nice there.
So we started with, so we got 7 buckets. We got 7 buckets, and what I did was I put 2 seed potatoes that had sprouted that we grew last year in each bucket. So we got potatoes, y'all. Look at this. We got potatoes. That's a meal. So we're just gonna put them in this box and see what we got going on. Even the little ones are good for me because you can roast these or anything. Yay, potatoes! These might have almost stayed in a little too long. However, I already count this as a win. Y'all know potatoes, look at that. My favorite food, potatoes. Alright.
Y'all forgive Sir Bacalot because he's not going to stop.
That's why I ain't going to talk much.
Take all that out.
So I wonder,
Okay.
So I wonder if we could plant something like this and grow more. It got roots. It looked like it's still alive. I don't know. I'm not going to destroy it, so. That may be something to try. However, I don't think that's bad.
That's real wet.
Good job, babe. Potatoes. I'm gonna keep these because I want to see something. So this one got 2 different varieties in them. Something is biting me on my butt. Oh, something is biting me. Gonna see potatoes.
Two different potatoes.
2 potatoes,
Two different ones.
but this one is rotten.
Yeah, that's because it's too much water.
They stayed in there too long. Started sprouting again. I think that's it, baby.
Take all of it.
Boy. Look at our seed potatoes.
So,
Purple. Purple potatoes. Oh my God. These fucking are sick.
Don't have me editing like crazy, okay?
Keep spraying myself. Excited to see purple potatoes. I like purple potatoes. They are really small. But we got more than what we started with. Dang. They ain't small, so I'm just trying.
So what all kind of potatoes did we grow?
So we grew mostly red and purple. I think it was a few Yukon Golds in there. What it was our potatoes from last year started sprouting. So I decided, well, let's go ahead and throw those in a bucket and see what we can get out of them. Actually, we did better now, so far, than we did last year. We had a few potatoes. A lot of these are small, but it was worth the try. Goodness. This one, something was eating in it. That's a nice one. The biggest purple so far. Why you think they grew long like that? From the bucket?
Mm-hmm.
Some of these are real soft. Them suckers was growing again.
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot in this little bucket. In
Mm-hmm.
this little thing.
It's small, but it's a lot of them.
Yeah. Okie dokie. Wee! Potatoes!
Too much water.
And they stayed in too long. They came out.
So it look like Yukon Gold.
Some of these are Yukon Golds. These are Yukons. Fucking mosquitoes, man. Yeah.
This one feels very heavy. I don't know if it's just the dirt or the water.
Whoa! Uh-oh. That might be why.
Why?
Potato. Reds did good.
So we can't see nothing.
Huh? Huh?
I said we can't see.
Oh. Because of this hill?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that.
Mm.
Oh. The bugs eat them up.
It was bug damage.
Yeah.
I don't know where they get in there.
That's it. For this one. Ugh. But
It look like some of these are starting to grow back. So
yeah.
purples.
See all these little bugs in there? Purples are pretty.
Show everybody what you pulling out. To y'all who don't know, Sherry has a special bond with bugs.
Yeah.
She got something going on with her blood that makes them just come straight to her. You could be standing around her and they won't bother you at all, but she'll be getting chewed on.
It's a lot of us people out here in the world with this sweet blood that the bugs love, unfortunately.
Is that what it is, sweet blood?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bugs kind of like boo-boo and stuff too, right?
They do.
I thought like the butterflies and the bees like the sweet stuff.
Well, the mosquitoes do too. Apparently.
So you stop rubbing yourself.
Huh?
So you stop rubbing yourself.
Well, I keep trying to, but it's irritating.
And you rub yourself every time something touch you.
Well,
Sometimes
it's
you gotta
irritating
do-
with these mosquitoes chewing.
All right, fam. So this is the last bucket of potatoes.
Thank God. Make it a good one. Make it a good one. Whee!
All right. Look at there. Look at there.
Save the best for last.
Yep.
Somehow. This one got the seed. These are nice. Lean over. Got some purples in here.
All right, fam. So this is our little potato harvest.
But successful.
Yes.
Because we got more than we started with.
So we dropped about how many seed potatoes?
About 14.
And this is what we got from it.
Yeah.
And guys, you can get a way better harvest than this. You know, we had a lot of rain, so the weather wasn't optimal for the growth. But I mean, as you can see, this is mini meals here.
Yes.
You know, so to y'all who think y'all got too small of a yard, to y'all who got a balcony, I mean, how many of y'all got enough room to sit 5-gallon bucket on?
5-gallon bucket, grow bag. It doesn't have to be necessarily a grow bag. Cardboard box. You can set it and almost forget it. You know, we did get a lot of rain. It rained a lot, but we got a successful harvest because we got more than we started with. Plus, this was just potatoes from last year that had already started sprouting.
Yep. So they weren't even edible potatoes. It's just something that would have had to been thrown away if we weren't gonna grow them. So this is what we got. We got harvest that we probably can, I don't know, get 20, 30, 40 meals off of between me and her. So I mean, that's a win-win.
We good to go.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna set these probably in the garage and let them cure for a couple days, and we'll go from there.
So you gonna harvest your carrots?
Yes, carrots. Let's go see about these baby carrots. Every time I weed the carrots, I always pull a carrot up, and it's little, but it's a carrot, which is more than what we got last year. Because last year I tried to grow black nebulas, and all we got were roots. A lot of carrot tops, a lot of roots. So let's go see what the carrots look like. All right, y'all. Carrots. This is our second time attempting to grow carrots. I'm not sure if they should be coming up now, but every now and then I make a mistake and pull a little carrot. I have weeded this thing, trying my hardest not to pull up the carrots, but it's time to move on. Whether we drop more carrot seeds or to something else. Look at this weed that I've been afraid to pull out because I just knew I was going to pull out carrots too. But it seemed like the weeds come up by themselves. Look at this. Ridiculous. So let's harvest these carrots. See how we did. The first time was a flop. I tried to grow the black nebula. I grew a bunch of roots. That's all. The tops were beautiful. So, pretty excited about these. The few that I have pulled, see, look at this. They small, but they taste good. So, I'm not worried about them being small. I just rather start over now or just, you know, plant something else because these carrots are wearing me. So I'm going to pull them all. I'm going to put some in my salad tonight. I think they all little. Look at this. Are they supposed to be? I don't even remember what kind I grew. Uh-oh. Pulling up the tops. They cute. They cute little carrots. Some of them are a little bigger. Pulled up a carrot and left. I guess I got it. I hope I got it. So I'm not sure where we go wrong. Oh, here you go. With carrots. But anyhow, this is way better than what we've been doing. But like I said, it's time to move on. So it's time for them to go. They smell good. I'm going to cut some up in my salad tonight. Look at these little bitty things. And one thing I didn't do, which I'm sure is the issue, I did not thin my carrots out. I just threw a pack of seeds down and let it go. So that may be my huge issue. However, I'm still pretty proud because I got carrots. And I love those little mini carrots. This what this remind me of. Look at these little tiny things. I'll take that. Now I can get all these roots up without worrying. Little bitty carrots. Look at these little things. I have to learn how to thin my carrots out. Stop being lazy. But way better than the first time. Because the first time we had absolutely nothing but carrot tops. Look at these little carrots. I'm pretty proud of these little things. Look at me now. Get the roots out of here. All that stuff. Look at that. This one. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness. Some ranch dressing. Ooh, yeah. So guess what, y'all? The first time was a total flop. The second time was a little bit better. The next time is going to be even better. So I'm not sure what my husband planned to do with this space. If he want to drop more carrots or what. Come on, man. I want this one. Look at that. But we'll figure it out. But I got some carrots for now. I can freeze dry them. You can can carrots. You can dehydrate carrots. You can eat carrots raw, just like this. You can cook them, put them in the stew. That's what I might do. Stew rabbit. I got carrots. That's what I might do. We'll see. All right. On to another harvest. What else are we going to play with today? So look at this. I am not upset with this harvest because I got something I did not get last year. Carrots. Ha! I'm gonna go wash one of these and eat it now. Let's go in the house for a minute.
All right, fam. So while the wife go back there and get those carrots, I went and got these beautiful garlics that I had drying for the last couple of weeks. Let me tell you guys, like, they smell amazing. So I'm excited that we're gonna have some fresh garlic that we grew out of our yard to be able to cook with. And man, I wish I had more, but this will do for the time being.
All right, fam. Look at this. I call it success. They are little, but they are carrots. We can eat them this year. Last year we couldn't eat them. So.
And I tasted them, and they actually taste really good. They're sweet. So I don't know the name brand of these, but we definitely need to grow these again.
Definitely. I'm so happy with both of these harvests today. What you think about the potato harvest, babe?
Hey,
We got potatoes, y'all.
I think it's a success. This is today's harvest.
My favorite food.
Root crops, potatoes and carrots.
Never give up. Never give up. You got this.
All right, guys. We appreciate y'all for joining us on our today's harvest. Like,
Share.
and subscribe. Hit that bell so you'll be notified the next time we release another video.
Till next time, y'all.